This video tutorial is to teach you how to log on to your district laptop when you are using it at home. When you are at home, you need to log on as a local user instead of as yourself when you would at school, because the computer is trying to reach the district network or the Z drive at school. It's trying to log on to your profile at school, so we need to use what's called a local user account when we use the computer at our homes. So to do that, you will use your Control-Alt-Delete buttons just like you normally would to log in. And then you're going to use the /local user, all smalls, lowercase, and no spaces in the username. And then the password will be local, all smalls, no spaces. And I'm sorry, this says a capital L and it should really a small l. So LOCAL, all smalls. And then log in. Now the important thing to remember is when you're working as local user, you will save your files into what's called the local data file, which is located on the C drive of your computer. And then the next day when you get back to school, you will transfer your files from that local C drive data, which is actually the hard drive of your computer, over to your Z drive when you return to school the next day, so that you have your files backed up on the server tape. Okay, so I'm going to leave this portion of the preview, and I'm going to take you out and actually show you where that local data file is located, and then I'll come back and review the directions. So out on our desktop we will find the icon that says computer. So I'm going to click on that and go into what's called the C drive, or the hard drive of your computer. So I'm going to open that. And then I'm going to go down and find the local data file, which is actually located then on the hard drive of your computer. And this is where you can save any files that you save at home or work on at home. And then when you get back to school, you'll take and line this up with your Z drive and copy and paste them over into your Z, or however you'd like to do that. If you need help with any of this, please contact Vicki Stelzer or Margie Freund in the library and we will help you. So let's review. Back to that. Okay, so logging onto your district laptop at home, Control-Alt-Delete to log on just like you would at school. In the username, you're going to type in /, all smalls, no spaces, local user, and then in the password, all smalls, unfortunately this has a capital L, so I would need to change that, all smalls, LOCAL, local. Okay, and then you're going to save all of your files to the local data file, which is located on the C drive of your computer. And then the next day when you come back, you'll transfer those files from your Z, or from your local data file over to your Z. Okay, and that is how to log on to your district laptop at home.